How to find and see your wish list on Play Store. Hello guys, so on this video I'm gonna show you how to see your wish list on Play Store easy and fast. All what you have to do is so simple. Go to Play Store. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top and click on your profile picture like this. Click on library option. After you click on library, you will find wish list right here. Click on it, and right here you will find your wish list. Very easy and fast, as you can see. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.